genetically modified food. Chemically produced food. Many people like mistaking a lot. You might have seen on TV's newspaper, elsewhere, or even radio, people talking, don't eat chemically produced food. Don't eat genetically modified food. Eat organic food. So what's the difference between genetically modified food and GMO? A GMO is a plant food or animal food which comes from either animal, that is to say, for example, meat of a cattle, or a crop, for example, maize, which has undergone changes in genes intentionally. And these methods of changes, there are those that does not induce chemicals into these plants and animals. For example, grafting. Grafting is a form of genetic modification. It does not leave any chemical. Layering. Intended cross-pollination. These are methods which does not leave chemicals in the crops. Now, there is the chemically produced crops. These are crops or animals which have undergone either in the production, transport, or storage chemical treatment. For example, the use of chemical pesticides may result into remains of those chemicals on the leaves, for example, tea leaves, or even coffee. That's an example. If chemicals are used to preserve, for example, maize, or even my sweet guava here, it may also become chemically produced. So you see people going to tell you, I want cassava, because cassava is not chemical. My friend, if that cassava has been preserved using chemicals or undergone chemical treatment, maybe in the time of spraying the pest and the weeds in the garden of cassava, there can be remains of chemicals in the soil which are harvested into the cassava. So, mark that difference. Being genetically modified does not mean it is now chemically produced or as undergone chemical treatment. They are two different things. Organic means no chemical as such. Very unfortunate that the best preservative, which is organic, is the fats from pork, which some people may not like to hear it, like my brothers and sisters from the Muslim. Thank you.